And where is Harry again? Harry, how did you even get there? How did you even get there, Harry? But do you really think you are a birdie for today? Harry? Okay, so Harry turned to be a bird for sure. And eating the bird food on the top of it. We don't have a bunny. We have another birdie. Harry? Do we have another birdie? What happened to our bunny? Harry, what happened to our bunny? Did it just totally turn it to the birdie? How did you get in? Harry? How did you get in? And on the top of it, you're eating the bird food. What is that? Okay. We lost our bunny. Harry, come on, for sure. Ah, come on now, Boo Boo. You're still a bunny.